Wow! Beautiful 4-bedroom, 3 and #XBD, bath, 3-car garage, pool home with gorgeous long lake view. The open floor plan is only 2 years old with many upgrades. The custom designed pool and spa area has autofill, a no-seam screen, and an extended covered area awning. Inside, the 24 and #X201D by 24 and #X201D porcelain white gloss tile feels luxurious, and the hardwood floors in the bedrooms exude warmth. Level 5 cabinetry in the kitchen complements the induction cooktop, the 2 ovens, the 2 sinks, the wine cooler, and the huge 48 and #X201D wide refrigerator. Windows and doors are impact resistant and have plantation shutters. The dining room window has a remote powered shade and custom drapes. All the chandeliers show off the 12 and #X2019 to 16 and #X2019 high ceilings. The ICP amenities offer a fitness center, a huge resort pool, a lap pool, and mini bocce ball, pickleball, and tennis courts. There is a class or event almost every day arranged by the activity director. You can meet up with friends and neighbors at the Overlook Bar and Grill. The Isles is only 4 miles from downtown 5th Avenue and 15 minutes to the beach. The community has over 8 miles of nature trails. The Isles is a casual yet elegant community,